Okay, this is video for section 1.2, number 44. Number 44 is the distance, rate, and time problem. We talk about two planes. One leaves Chicago heading for Los Angeles at 540. So here's Chicago, over here is LA. One plane leaves here going this way at 540 miles per hour. An hour later, a second plane leaves Los Angeles at 660. So this one's coming here at 660. Okay, and this is 1 hour later. I like to draw a little diagram like this because it helps to just formulate what we're going to do. It tells us that the distance between the two towns is 1,800 miles. And it wants to know how far from Chicago, or how long until they meet, and how far from Chicago they will be at that time. Okay? So what I have here is this. I've got a distance for plane 1. I've got a distance for plane 2. If I add those two together, they're going to equal 1,800. Okay? Distance is rate times time. So now I can set this up. My rate for the plane coming from Chicago is 540. My rate from Los Angeles is 660. I don't know their times. So I'm going to let time equal, or the variable equal the time. Now, being as it's a different time, I have to let it equal one of them. So I'm going to let it equal the time of the Chicago plane. Now I have to think for a second. This one left an hour later. Therefore, its time is an hour less. So x minus 1 is the time of the LA plane. So there we have our equation. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and pause this to solve it out. We'll come back and do our explanation. Okay, so we're back. I just took the equation. I solved it out for x. And I get x being 2.05 hours. So I want to know the time from the first plane. Okay? And I also want to know the distance that it had traveled. So I took the 540, multiplied it by the 2.05, and got 1,107 miles.